All right, here we are out at Bull Shoals getting ready for the Mo-Yak first tournament of the year. Picked a place up in Bear Creek. Wanted to go here, pretty remote. Wanted to see if we can get up in the back of this creek, catch any fish that are starting to move in. Here with my buddy Roy. We're gonna try to see what we can do. It's an individual tournament. We're also in the team competition. So Roy's having some technical difficulties back there. He's working on the wiring for his fish finder. But we're here and we're gonna get started here in a little bit. So let's go fishing. Just caught one. Spinnerbait. He's little. Another little keeper. There's another white bass. Somebody pissed. Oh no, largemouth. Yes. 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 Got this on a little popped it. It's slow dragging it. Did you give up back there?
Water just keeps getting colder. I don't know why. You got one? How are you doing?
I'm catching some off this point with this A-rig. I've got 2 16s already.
For real?
Yeah.
How do you think on 13?
This is going to be like a 15 probably.
Nice.
And I've caught 2 gigantic white bass.
Got a crappie.
Oh, I got another one. That's a pretty good one. Oh yeah. Come on, baby. Come throw over here. I can see him on the graph down here. These things are hosses. I thought that hook was bigger than 17. They're thick. Bull Shoals fish. These aren't beaver fish. Come on, baby. I can get a couple more of those. I'd feel pretty good the rest of the day. There we go. This one's not as big. Oh, it was a double and one got off. Oh. Maybe it wasn't on. Oh, here we go. There we go.
Man, you're not playing around.
I told you I'm going to have to drive over that stupid way in. Oh, I got lures all over my net. Ridiculous. Tell you what happened right there. I got hung and it popped free and then he hammered it. Oh my goodness, look at that baby.
That's awesome. I tried to get in there, I figured there was some with me.
Something just a little bit different. Cadence, like if I pause or that double, I actually kind of snapped it a little bit, which I'm not good at thinking of doing that kind of stuff, but I thought I'll try that. But it's just, none of it's been the same though, it's just all been different. Roy, our drive broke, I'm going back. Hey everybody, well, I'm done fishing a little bit early today. My Hobie drive broke. This is the third major mechanical failure by the Hobie 360. I'm getting kind of frustrated about that. I love the boat, but I'm not sure I can keep doing this. Haven't been able to get through a full tournament season with one of those boats. Had a good day, a good morning. Sent it 83.5 inches. I don't really know where that ranks. Don't have any cell service, haven't been able to upload any fish. Haven't seen any standings, no idea. So I'm gonna load up here. Still about an hour and a half to go until line's out, but I can't really get around with my boat. So I'm gonna pull it in the water. So hopefully we'll find out what happened. Thanks.